Hi, teachers. Welcome back to Easy Lesson Hub. In today's video, we're diving into a classic game that kids absolutely love, Hot Potato. Hot Potato is an exciting game where students pass around an object, or potato, while music plays. When the music stops, the student holding the potato has to perform a task. It works for any age group and can be adapted to practice speaking, vocabulary, or even grammar. Let's get started on how to set it up and play. You'll need these materials to set up the game. An object to act as the potato. It could be a stuffed toy, a soft ball, or even a crumpled up piece of paper. A music player, your phone, a laptop, or even a musical instrument if you're feeling creative. And finally, flashcards are a prepared list of questions or vocabulary words to practice. Here's how to play the game. Arrange the students in a circle or seating that allows easy passing of the potato. Start the music and have students pass the potato around quickly. Remind them to keep it moving. When the music stops, the student holding the potato must complete a task such as answering a question, saying a vocabulary word, forming a sentence. If you're practicing animals, you might ask, name an animal that starts with C. And the student with the hot potato must answer the question. If the student holding the potato can't answer, they can ask a friend for help or skip one turn. Once the student answers, restart the music and the game continues. Keep the game moving quickly to maintain excitement and engagement. Adjust the difficulty level based on your student's proficiency. For beginners, use simpler tasks like identifying colors or numbers. For advanced students, focus on full sentences or problem-solving questions. Use different music genres to match the theme of your lesson. Upbeat songs for energy or slower ones for more focus. And there you have it, teachers. Hot Potato is an easy, low-prep, high-energy game that your students will absolutely adore. Give it a try in your next class, and let us know how it went in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more ESL teaching tips, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy teaching!